In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Xero. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your HubSpot account connected to Xero so data can sync smoothly between your CRM and your accounting platform. Let's get started inside HubSpot. Once you're logged in, look towards the main navigation bar at the top of your screen. You're looking for the option labeled Marketplace. This is where HubSpot keeps all of its apps and integrations. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. If you don't see it right away, you may need to expand the main menu or look for an icon that resembles a small storefront. After you click Marketplace, you'll be taken to the HubSpot Marketplace homepage. From here, you want to specifically access the HubSpot App Marketplace, which is where integrations like Xero live. Click on HubSpot Marketplace if it's not already highlighted. This will bring up a page with a search bar and a list of apps that you can install. Next, move to the search bar at the top of the Marketplace page and type in Xero. Make sure you spell it correctly, with an X at the beginning. As you type, HubSpot will start suggesting results. You should see the Xero integration appear in the list below the search bar. This is usually labeled clearly with the Xero name and logo. Once you see Xero in the search results, click on it to open the integration details page. Here, you'll find more information about what the integration does, how data sync works, and any requirements or limitations. It's a good idea to scan this page briefly so you understand what will be connected between HubSpot and Xero, and whether there are any settings you might want to adjust later. On this same page, look for the Install button. This is typically located in a prominent position, often toward the top right of the screen. Click on Install to start the connection process. At this point, HubSpot will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Simply follow these on-screen prompts step by step. You'll likely be asked to sign into your Xero account and to grant permission for HubSpot to access certain data. Read the permission screens carefully, then confirm to continue. Once you've completed the prompts, the integration will be installed and your HubSpot and Xero accounts will be connected, ready to start syncing data based on the settings